Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dhanush here and you're watching D's Logbook. Today I've come up with a new vlog, a new location, which is Malappa Konda Hills. So do watch it till the end, and the people who haven't subscribed, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. So if you're traveling from Bangalore, it's around 100 kilometers, which would take you around 2.5 hours. But if you're traveling from Chennai, it's around 200 kilometers, which may take you 4 hours. Or if you're traveling from Chittoor, it is around 125 kilometers, that is maximum 3 hours. And the nearest railway station to reach this place is Kuppam railway station. And as I am from Bangalore, I am going by bike towards Malappa Konda Hills. As a group, has a Republic Day ride. Before we cover the rest of the journey, it's better now I go and fill up the tank because mine is already empty. Meet you once I cross the Hoskote toll. So, this place, which is Malappa Konda Hills, is located near Kuppam, a border town in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, known for its strategic location near the meeting point of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. That is the three states. Whoa, three states? So now we must know that this place is still an underrated places to visit in and around Karnataka. This place is mainly dedicated to Lord Shiva. So guys, if you're interested in trekking and you want to start trekking, I would recommend this place because from bottom till the top, it's around 2.5 kilometers and it is a beginner level trek. So it is best for you. started to drive towards the top of the hill, and there are a lot of hairpin bends. So my suggestion is not to drive fast and try to maintain safety precautions while taking turns near the hairpin bends. So I started my journey around 6:30 and reached Malappa Konda Hills around 11:30 because we had three pit stops, where one of the pit stop was near Hoskote toll, the second was near Hoskote hotel, one of the hotels, that is Udupi Gardania, where we had our breakfast, and then the third was in the foot of Malappa Konda Hills. So this is the place where we all joined together because we were juggled up by various other roads, and we resumed our journey towards Malappa Konda Hills also.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Finally, after hours of travel, we have reached Malappa Konda Hills to the top, and the parking facility is also quite good. So I would suggest that you guys can come by your own vehicle rather than taking a bus or an auto. There's a small temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. It's a Shivalingam. And to enjoy the view, I would suggest you guys to take that small stairs that is going till the top. It is completely worth it to travel so long and enjoy the view that we get in this place. If you watched till here, then do hit the subscribe button, do like, share, and also comment if I need to make any changes in my video. That will be coming in the future, but please don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is one that motivates me to make more and more travel vlogs while I travel to various other locations. So stay tuned and do hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.